How to fix invite collaboration option not showing on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Whenever you are about to post, you have this option under tag people of invite collaborators. You tap on this option and then search for the collaborators. If they accept, your post will be shared with their followers. However, if this option is not showing in your Instagram account, in this video, I'm going to show you few solutions to this problem. The first step you want to do is make sure that your Instagram application is fully updated. To check that, you want to head over to Play Store or App Store and then search for Instagram. Here, if you find the update button, tap on it and update the Instagram to the latest version. This is going to fix any bugs and also give you new features such as invite collaboration. If there is open option instead of update, it means that your application has been fully updated. If you still do not get it, then the reason might be that your account is fairly new. If your account is new and you do not have many followers, you do not have a profile picture, or you do not have any posts made, then Instagram restricts some of the features. So that might be the reason why you're not receiving the invite collaboration option. In that case, you want to follow a couple more people and also have different activities in your profile, meaning you have to post different reels, photos, videos, and you also want to increase the engagement activities in your profile. You want to leave comments, you want to like on different posts, and then make sure that you upload a nice profile picture. After you do this and after some time passes by, this feature is going to be made available in your account. Now the next thing is, if you're using a personal account and you're not able to get this feature, then you might want to switch to a professional account and check. For that, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, scroll down and find the option of account type and tools, then tap on switch to professional account option, tap on continue and follow the on-screen prompts. Once you do that, your professional account will be set up. Now you want to try and see if the invite collaboration option is available to you. Lastly, you want to check if you have set your account to private. If you have set your account to private, then that might be the reason why you're not able to invite collaborators in your post. So you want to make sure that if you have toggled on the private account option, you want to toggle this off and make sure that your account is public. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.